Meaning of inoculation.
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 Inoculation. Inoculation refers to the process of introducing a small amount of a virus or bacteria into a person's body in order to build up immunity to the disease. The immune system creates antibodies to fight off the invading microorganism, which protects against future infections. This process is commonly used in vaccinations to help prevent diseases such as measles, polio, and influenza. By inoculating individuals against these diseases, they are better equipped to fight off the actual virus or bacteria if they are exposed to it in the future. Inoculation can help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases and ultimately save lives.